The title of our text is Safe to Go. And boys and girls, I'm looking at my text and I think that this is going to be non-fiction. I think this is going to be about real people and real things. Let's read together. Safe to Go. Garrett Morgan was an inventor. He was always thinking of ways to make people's lives better. One day, he saw a terrible traffic accident. That means like a car accident. A car collided with a horse and a carriage. The driver of the car and the horse were both badly hurt. I'm going to pause there and take a look at the photograph I see. This must be Garrett Morgan. He was the inventor. And next to that photograph is a caption in blue. It says, Garrett Morgan cared about safety. The caption, boys and girls, tells us a little bit more about the photograph. Back up at the top. In 1923, Morgan invented a signal that directed traffic safely. And look, boys and girls, this is a photograph of his drawing of a traffic signal. This is his idea. This is his invention. I'm going to read this red box over here. It says, inventing the traffic light. Morgan's signal had signs that moved up and down like arms. Red meant stop and green meant go. When all the stop signs were up, all the cars stopped, and pedestrians could then cross the street. Pedestrians, boys and girls, are people who are on foot, who are walking. So yes, this text was nonfiction. It was about a real man who cared about his community and wanted to make things safer. His name was Garrett Morgan, and he invented something. He created something, created a traffic signal to tell people when it was safe to stop and when it was safe to go. Good reading, first graders.